guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we have got a witch casket unboxing. My witch casket box is right here. This is a subscription box that I found. I found it through a Facebook page. But it's basically like a witchy subscription box that you get every month. And you get loads of like different things in it. This is the third one that I'm unboxing, so hopefully you guys, if you were interested, you might have already seen the others. If not, go back and check them out. This is January's box! Yay! So yeah, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. I'm hoping to start uploading again. I know you guys have been hearing that, and then I don't, but hopefully we're back with it now. So, I'm gonna get straight in and start unboxing this box. Yeah! So, let's have a look. So, oh, it smells so good. Oh, there's some good incense in there, I'm telling you. So we do get a list of contents. However, it doesn't tell you prices or anything like that. So I'm not going to bother reading through it all. I'll just pick the stuff out and show you guys what we've got. Our wonderful casket crew, here we are already in 2020. January's casket is all about abundance. And we all could surely use some of that to start the new decade. Wow, it's a new decade and everything. Oh, God. Okay, so first of all, we've got this cute little, what does that say? I don't even know what that says, but if anyone can read it, then awesome. It's just like a little card, and yeah, that's actually really cute. I think I'm going to put that on the wall or on my altar. I actually really like that. Okay, what's this? What is this? Some kind of map. Sea of Wonder. I'm not 100% sure what this is about, other than maybe I'm supposed to just put it on my wall, which I will do. It can go back there with like all my other fun stuff back there. Okay, what's this? What's this? Mindful Moringa Loose Tea Leaf. Oh, so far, this is the third box I've unboxed. So far we get some tea leaves in every box. We get incense in every box, and then like random other things. That smells. Oh, it smells a little bit like. Well, it's not. Oh, it smells well nice. I can't even see what it was now. Mandarin orange. I can smell the orange. Mandarin and orange. Okay, that smells really, really nice. You also get like a ritual as well. So we've got here an abundance charm bag kit. Ooh. Magical herb kit to help bring abundance your way. Let's have a little look. I like to open these up for you guys so we can have a little look inside. Because why not? Oh, it's basically like just a little kit to make a little charm bag thing. And you get obviously as well like the instructions on here on what to do, which is really cool. So if you guys want to see me do that, let me know in the comments down below. And I will do it for you guys. Oh, we get one of these every time as well. It's just like a witch casket sticker. And it comes in different colours each month. And that's really cute. Oh, we seem to get a bag. Oh, I like that. Is that rose gold? It's a rose gold badge that says Casket Crew. Like, I love that. Get a bit closer for you guys. How cute is that? Yes! That is so cute. Love that. Okay, what else have we got? What else? Oh, we get one of these every time. I think these are just like put on your wall. Oh no, they're not. They're actual like I don't know whether I'd say mantras. They're like, so this is a magical ways to attract abundance. So they're like just little spells basically. Magical ways to attract abundance. I can smell patchouli. Yes, patchouli. Oh my days. This is so freaking nice. Oh my god, I can smell it. Oh, right. Okay. I love incense. I love burning oils, wax melts, candles, incense. Just love it. My room is just full of it all the time. Oh, so yeah, next up we've got the Patchouli Incense. This is a different brand, or a different, like the other packs were round. So these are a little bit different. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Okay, oh, I know what this is. I've actually used this. So, in here, we have just got, so is this by Pastel and Mortar? I don't know if that's a brand or not. It's basically like a herb, like mixer thing. These. And you just like, put your herbs in there, give it a good, you know, bash or like grind it up, or I don't know. But I thought it was really cool because I don't have one of these. So I thought it was kind of fun for me to get that. Ooh, what else do we have? Oh, we've got some green quartz crystal. Yes, okay. I love my crystals. I'm definitely a crystal girl. I'm definitely a crystal child. Definitely. So we have got some green quartz. Oh, there it is. Pretty. I'll read the card out. It comes with a little card as well, which I think is so cool. And they're not like skimpy. Like these are like really good quality card. And then you've just got like your little description on the back. Green quartz stimulates creativity and increases intuition. It attracts abundance, good fortune and success, and also has the ability to take negative energy and transform it into positive energy. We all need that in our lives. I definitely do. I can already feel the energy coming off of this already. So that is exciting. Yay, I'm so excited. I love these boxes. I want to get another one. I can't afford it though. Like, I can't afford to get another subscription each month. Oh, how cute is this? It's a little coin purse. Oh, would my ID fit in here? I bet it would, wouldn't it? It definitely would. I could take this out with me, like. That is cute. How cute is that? Love it. I do love it. I love it. Love, 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 love. I think we're nearly at the end now. Oh, what's this? What is this? Oh, we haven't got a badge this time. I thought this was gonna, have we? Oh, we have. We got a rose gold one, didn't we? Was that in this one? I've opened 3 all in one go and I can't remember what's coming which one. This is a witch casket, abundance talisman. Wow. Oh, it's really cute. So this is like a full-on company. They've got everything's like made properly and stuff. Oh, you're not going to be able to see that. Oh, kind of. It's because obviously the light and that. This magical talisman will attract abundance and good fortune to its bearer. Alright, well I'll be holding on to that then, thanks. It does say something on the back. Oh my god, but I cannot read that. Something in her heart. May the bearer of this... I can't read that, I'm really sorry. But I'm like, yeah, I can't read it, but it does say something on the back. If any of you guys that are watching this get these boxes, please let me know down below and let me know your opinions. And I mean, you can let me know if there are other ones as well, like other subscription boxes, but I can't really afford to subscribe to any more at the moment, but maybe in the future. So we've also got this little bracelet. Now it doesn't have a card with it. I'm not. Now, I think this is green aventurine. In fact, we can find out, hang on. Green aventurine crystal bracelet, yeah. So, I'm actually going to put that on now and wear it now. I love these crystal bracelets. I want more of them. If more of these come in, then I'll be very happy. If you should get one of these every time, Wish Casket, if you're watching this, you should get one of these every time in a different crystal. I'm just saying, it'd just be pretty cool. Not that you're ever going to watch any of my videos, but it's fine. So, that's everything that came in the box this time, you guys. I'm very excited. I'm really pleased with all the stuff so far that's coming in these boxes. So, you know, I'm definitely going to be getting more and more. And more and more and more and more. I am subscribing and I'm not planning on unsubscribing anytime soon, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Sorry if it was a little bit all over the place. I'm just very excited and I'm just so glad I'm finally getting it done. So thank you for watching. Mwah! I love you guys so, so much. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, let me know down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Bye!